On this episode, Eric takes his Mathews bow and goes after a trophy ram on part 1 of this exotic archery hunt, right here on Adventures Afield.
When I was just a boy, my father helped me develop my passion for the outdoors. That passion quickly turned to an obsession.
I thought the one on the right was a bigger horn, but then I saw the body of the one on the left. So I hesitated. I shouldn't have. Let's see if we can get him. You'd think this would be easy. It's not. I mean, you see how they keep the distance. You know, going after with a bow increases the challenge. And, you know, they keep their distance. These aren't farm animals. Let's see what we can do. Perfect shot. Let's give him a minute. Here's the arrow. Here's probably about a 30-yard shot. Here we have some pretty good blood. It goes down the trail next to this fence. I think we should find him just right down here. He is over here. Man, that thing's huge. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of this thing. I've seen Texas deer smaller than this. Man, look at this thing. Man, the Rage broadhead did its job. Look at that.
That by far is the biggest ram I've ever killed. The first ram with a bow. In fact, I haven't really killed anything with this bow in a long time. I bought this thing back in 2000. That is a sweet shooting bow. 40 yards, I wouldn't have any problem even killing a small pig. But I was using the Rage broadheads, and it did its job. But look at the mass. I mean, look at the width of this. Thanks for watching this episode of Adventures Afield. Join us next time as we go, I don't know where. All right, hold on a second. Pause for a second. Thanks for watching this episode of Adventures Afield. Join us next time for more exciting footage right here on Adventures Afield. That was dumb. I thought I had it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for, not stay tuned. Okay. God, okay, cut for a second. I hope you liked this episode. Stay tuned. I hope you liked this episode. Look out for more adventures right here on Adventures Afield. Thing's huge.